Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today the episode is about a typical day in my life. I will use simple words. I will speak in short sentences. This will help you learn. This will help you listen and speak. I will tell you about my morning. I will tell you about my work. I will tell you about my lunch. I will tell you about my afternoon. I will tell you about my evening and my night. I will give an example of how to introduce yourself. I will give many short sentences to repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Repeat after me when I ask you. Let us begin with the morning. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I open my eyes. I sit in my bed. I smile and I say good morning. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my hair. I put on my clothes. My clothes are clean. I like simple clothes. I like a shirt and jeans. I put on my shoes. I prepare a small bag. I put my phone in the bag. I put a notebook in the bag. I put a pen in the bag. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I like coffee. I drink a small cup of coffee. I also make breakfast. I like eggs and toast. I like fruit. Today I eat an apple. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy the food. I read a short news piece on my phone. I check my messages. I reply to a friend. I say hello to my family. I say have a good day. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a small city. I am a teacher. I like to teach English. I like to help students learn. I like to read books. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I like to walk in the park in the evening. I have a small dog. His name is Max. He is a friendly dog. I like music. I play the guitar sometimes. I work from 9 to 5. I teach in the morning and I write lessons in the afternoon. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Ben. Repeat after me. I am from the United States. Repeat after me. I am a teacher. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Do it now if you need more time. Back to my day. I leave home at 8:30. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes at 8:40. I get on the bus. I sit by the window. I look at the sky. I see clouds. Sometimes the sun is bright. Sometimes it is rainy. I read a book on the bus. I listen to music with my headphones. I check my lesson notes. I think about the class. I arrive at work at 9. I greet my coworkers. I say good morning to my students. I start the lesson. I speak slowly and clearly. I show pictures and write words on the board. I ask simple questions. I ask what is your name? I ask where are you from? I ask what do you like to do? I listen to my students. I help them with new words. I say repeat after me. The students repeat. The students say the words. They say the sentences. They feel happy. I feel happy too. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Repeat after me. What is your name? Repeat after me. Where are you from? Repeat after me. What do you like to do? Lunchtime is at 12. I go to the cafe near work. I order soup and a sandwich. I sit at a small table. I eat slowly. I drink water. I talk with a friend. We talk about our day. We talk about a good movie. We laugh. Laughter is good. It makes the day lighter. After lunch I go back to work. I teach another class. I answer emails. I plan the next lesson. I read a short article. I practice my English. I learn new words. I make a note of new vocabulary. I review my notes. I write a small list of words. I say them out loud. I say them slowly and then faster. Now I will give another short example of a small conversation. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Hi. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine too. What do you do? I am a teacher. I teach English. Where do you live? I live in a small city. Do you like your city? Yes, I like it. It is quiet and calm. Repeat after me. Hi. How are you today? Repeat after me. I am fine, thank you. Repeat after me. What do you do? Now I will talk about the afternoon. The afternoon is calm. I take a short walk after work. I walk in the park. I see trees and flowers. I feel the air. I breathe slowly. I feel calm. I call my family. I ask about their day. I listen to their voice. I say I love you. Simple words can make us happy. I go home at 5:30. I cook a light dinner. I like vegetables and rice. I like salad too. I listen to soft music while I cook. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I wash the plates. I dry the plates. I put them away. In the evening I have time for hobbies. I play the guitar for 30 minutes. I read a book for 40 minutes. I watch a short show on TV. I write in my notebook. I write about what I learned today. I write new words. I write new sentences. I practice speaking them. I say them out loud. I speak to myself in English. This is good practice. Now I will give another example of how to talk about your hobbies. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I like to read books. I like to listen to music. I like to play the guitar. I like to walk in the park. I like to cook simple food. What do you like to do? I like to learn new words. I like to watch shows in English. It helps me learn. Repeat after me. I like to read books. Repeat after me. I like to play the guitar. Repeat after me. What do you like to do? Sometimes I meet friends in the evening. We go to a small cafe. We drink tea. We talk and laugh. We share stories. We speak slowly and clearly. We help each other with words. We correct gently. We say practice makes progress. Before bed I take a shower. I change into soft clothes. I clean my face and hands. I put on a light sweater. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I set my alarm. I read a few pages of my book. I turn off the light. I say good night. Nighttime is for rest. I close my eyes. I think about the good things of the day. I say a short thank you in my heart. I smile and I sleep. Now I will show a long example of a monologue that you can use to practice. This will be one flow. You can listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I will speak slowly. I will use simple sentences. Repeat after me when I ask you. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a small city near a park. I wake up early each day. I make coffee and breakfast. I go to work by bus. I teach English at a school. I like to help my students. I like to see their smiles. I like to hear them speak. After work I walk in the park. I meet my friends sometimes. We talk at a cafe. I cook dinner at home. I read a book in the evening. I practice the guitar. I go to bed at a good time. I sleep well and I feel ready for the next day. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Ben. Repeat after me. I live in a small city near a park. Repeat after me. I teach English at a school. Now I will give some helpful tips for speaking English each day. Use simple steps. Practice a little each day. Listen to short audio clips. Read short texts. Speak out loud. Use a notebook for new words. Write them down. Make simple sentences with new words. Say the sentences out loud. Repeat them often. Try to use new words in real life. Talk with a friend or a teacher. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Repeat after me. Practice a little each day. Repeat after me. Speak out loud. Repeat after me. Do not worry about mistakes. Here are small practice exercises. I will say a sentence. Then I will say the same sentence slowly. You repeat after me. Ready. I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30. I eat toast and eggs. I eat toast and eggs. Repeat after me. I eat toast and eggs. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. Repeat after me. I go to work by bus. I teach English to students. I teach English to students. Repeat after me. I teach English to students. I read a book in the evening. I read a book in the evening. Repeat after me. I read a book in the evening. I sleep at 10:30. I sleep at 10:30. Repeat after me. I sleep at 10:30. Good work. Keep practicing. Little steps lead to big progress. Now I will give a simple story about a typical small event in my day. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. One morning I saw a small bird on the window. The bird was bright and yellow. It looked at me, I smiled and I opened the window a little. The bird sang a sweet song. I felt happy. I took a short video of the bird with my phone. I shared the video with a friend. My friend liked the video. We both smiled. Repeat after me. One morning I saw a small bird on the window. Repeat after me. The bird was bright and yellow. Repeat after me. The bird sang a sweet song. Use this simple story to practice past tense. I saw. I smiled. I took. I shared. These are past tense verbs. Practice them with small sentences. Repeat after me. I saw. I smiled. I took. I shared. Now I will ask some simple questions. Listen and answer them in your mind or say them out loud. You can pause the video and answer. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work or to school? What do you do in the evening? What do you like to do on weekends? Say your answers out loud. Use simple sentences. I wake up at 7. I eat cereal and fruit. I take the bus to work. I read a book in the evening. I like to walk on the weekend. Repeat after me. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work? What do you do in the evening? Now a few more tips. Try to use English for small things. Change your phone language to English for a short time. Label items in your home with English words. Read signs in English when you walk. Say the time in English. Say the date in English. Talk to yourself in simple sentences. This helps your brain. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Repeat after me. Try to use English for small things. Repeat after me. Label items in your home with English words. Now I will give a long final practice. I will speak a long sentence and then break it into small parts. Repeat each part. I wake up early and I make coffee. I wake up early. I make coffee. Repeat after me. I wake up early. Repeat after me. I make coffee. I go to work and I teach English. I go to work. I teach English. Repeat after me. I go to work. Repeat after me. I teach English. I walk in the park and I meet a friend. I walk in the park. I meet a friend. Repeat after me. I walk in the park. Repeat after me. I meet a friend. I cook dinner and I read a book. I cook dinner. I read a book. Repeat after me. I cook dinner. Repeat after me. I read a book. I sleep early and I feel happy. I sleep early. I feel happy. Repeat after me, I sleep early. Repeat after me, I feel happy. Great job. You did well. That is a full view of a typical day in my life. I use simple steps each day. I practice English each day. I rest and I enjoy small things. I share moments with friends and family. I try to learn a new word each day. Thank you for listening to this long practice. You can watch this video again. You can pause and repeat as much as you need. Practice makes progress. Keep a small plan each day. A little practice is better than no practice. You will grow with time. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.